Hi, I'm Trish. I'm a 52-year-old Filipina-American living in the Algarve, Portugal, and here's a glimpse into my life. Hi guys! So today, I never showed you, I did that whole thing at Douglas where Laura did my eyes and lips, but I actually never, here's the Kylie palette that I got from her. She did such a great job. But here is the Kylie lip, both the matte liquid lipstick and the lip liner. And my shade is Candy Cane Matte. So I thought I would put it on. There it is. I'm getting ready to go to my Portuguese class. So last year I took the A1, A2, because if you have the A2 certificate, after living in Portugal for 5 years, you can actually apply for a permanent residency or citizenship. So I got my A2 certificate, and then I figured, well, I might as well keep going. So this year I'm doing the B1, B2, and I'm a little nervous about it because Portuguese a língua muito difícil. Everyone, even Portuguese said, it's such a difficult language. I'm gearing up to go to class again, like a high school student, because I'm going to the high school and I'm learning it. So I figured I would put on some lipstick, some makeup. So I'm gonna start with my lip liner. Huh? It's like I already had some lipstick from before, so I'm just kind of putting it on top, but I do really like this. That's how I want it. And plus, I wanted a different shade. This is definitely, look how matte it is. Wow, huh? It's good. I love it. And the best part is I was actually shocked at the price. It's very affordable. So yeah, I'm a convert. I love Kylie. So have a great day, guys, and I'll keep you posted on my Portuguese classes. Maybe I'll be speaking Portuguese more fluently, because honestly, I can't speak that much right now. Pouco de português. Okay, ciao ciao. See you até já. I am a masochist and I am going to try to get to the B1, B2 level of Portuguese. So here I am. School has started, it's new school year, and I'm about ready to go to my class. 2.5 hours, twice a week of Portuguese. So é preciso praticar português. So here I go. Okay,